In the previous video, we discussed about endpoints and we also discussed about offsets in the mix settings. In this video, we'll be covering positive mix and negative mix parameters which are a part of the mix settings. So let's get started.
क्या आपको भी है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और टेक्नोलॉजी से प्यार? तो
अब की बार
चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो यार।
तो करो ना भाई, क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
Next, in the mix settings, we'll be talking about positive mix. So in this case also our example will consider plus and minus 10%. So our master channel is channel 6, right? And slave channel is channel 5. So endpoints of both would be 100% in this case, and the offset, let's start with plus 10%. Again, the difference of the extreme ends are 1000 and 10% of that is 100. But here's a catch. In positive and negative mix, the total 100% would be subdivided into different PWM sections. We'll be discussing that as compared to the offset, wherein each subdivision PWM value added 100 to its original value. So in plus 10% positive mix, what we can see is that for the lower extreme end 1000 value of channel 6, the values don't change for channel 5. It's still 1000, 1500 and 2000. But when we switch channel 6 to other extreme, that is 2000, we see a certain change in channel 5 values, that is 1050, 1550 and 2000. Now if you sum the difference between 1000 and 1050, 1500 and 1550, what we get is 50 plus 50, 100. So the 100 value is subdivided into 250s for the respective PWM values. We'll see another example and hope it would be clear. For positive mix minus 10%, again when 1000 value of channel 6 is present, the values of channel 5 don't change. But when we switch to 2000 of channel 6, we can see that this time the values have reduced. But since 1000 is the last extreme and you cannot subtract any further from that, we subtract 50 and 50 from 1500 and 2000. So don't be confused. See, channel 5 has 3 values, but that 3 values can change when channel 6 values are changed. So channel 6 moves from 1000 to 2000, and for 1000 we have 3 values for channel 5, for 2000 we have 3 values of channel 5. So this time for minus 10% positive mix, 50 is reduced from 1500 and 2000, so eventually giving us 1000, 1450 and 1950. Again, this 50 plus 50 sums up to 100. Next up, when the endpoint for channel 5 is 50%, we get 1250 and 1750 as our extremes, and the difference is 500. 10% of that is 50. This time also when channel 6 is at the lowest extreme, that is 1000 value, channel 5 values are the same, that is 1250, 1500 and 1750. Once we switch again to channel 6 other extreme, that is 2000, we notice a change in channel 5 values, that is 1250 plus 25, 1500 plus 25. But since 1750 is already at one of the extreme, nothing is added to that, and we get 1275, 1525 and 1750. This time again what you can observe is that 25 plus 25 sums up to 50, which was the 10% of 500. Alright, let's move on to minus 10% positive mix. So when we have minus 10% in the positive mix value, channel 6 lowest extreme 1000 sees no change for channel 5 values, but for the 2000 other extreme, what we see is that 1250. Now this time we are subtracting 25. Since 1250 is already at one of the extreme, we won't be subtracting anything from it, and 1500 minus 25, 1750 minus 25 gives us 1250, 1475 and 1725 as our 3 values for channel 6 highest extreme, that is 2000. Alright, enough with the classes. Let's proceed with some practical. So once we enter all the settings that we have discussed for positive mix plus 10% and endpoints 100%, observe carefully the values for channel 5 and channel 6 pointed by the arrow. When channel 6 is at 1000 value or at the lowest extreme, the values are pretty normal, 1000, 1500 and 2000. But once we switch it to the other extreme, that is 2000, what we see is 150, 1550 and 2000 as our values. For positive mix minus 10%, again, when channel 6 is at 1000 value, everything is pretty normal. That is 1000, 1500 and 2000 for channel 5. Once channel 6 is switched to 2000 value, what we see is 1000, 1450 and 1950 as our values for channel 5. Next, when we change the endpoint of channel 5 to 50% low and 50% high and keep the positive mix to plus 10%, what we see is that when channel 6 is at 1000 value, channel 5 is at 1250, 1500 and 1750 as discussed. When we switch channel 6 to 2000 value, what we see is that 1250 plus 25, that is 1275, 1525 and 1750 are the values that we achieve. Next up, for positive max value of minus 10%, again for channel 6, when the value is 1000, we achieve 1250, 1500 and 1750 for channel 5. But when channel 6 is pushed to 2000 extreme, we achieve 1250, 1475 and 1725 as our values. Next up, we'll be talking about negative mix. For negative mix, again we'll be going with plus and minus 10% values for our example. This time again channel 6 is set to 100% endpoint, channel 5 also to 100% endpoint. The difference again, as we have already talked, is 1000, 10% of that is 100. But this time what we see is that in negative mix, when channel 6 is at the lowest extreme of 1000 values, there would be change in channel 5 PWM values, but it will remain unchanged for the higher extreme, that is 2000 value. So this time what we see is 50 and 50 is reduced from 1500 and 2000 respectively, giving us 1000, 1450 and 1950. So both of this difference, 50 and 50 together, combines to 100. For a negative mix of minus 10%, what we see is 50 is added to 1000 and 1500 respectively, that ultimately giving us 1050, 1550 and 2000 values for our channel 6 lower extreme value of 1000, while everything remains unchanged for the higher end 2000 value. Next up, when we change the endpoint values for channel 5 to 50%, the extreme changes again to 1250 and 1750, the difference being 500, 10% of that being 50. So this time again for channel 6 higher extreme 2000, the values remain unchanged and they will be 1250, 1500 and 1750. But for the lower extreme of 1000, what we see is that 25 and 25 is respectively reduced from 1500 and 1750, giving us 1250, 1475 and 1725 as our ultimate values. For a negative mix of minus 10%, we see an addition of 25 to 1250 and 1500 respectively, giving us 1275, 1525 and 1750 as our values for channel 6 lower extreme value of 1000. Let us now put these values into the transmitter and observe the effects in Marbling Inspector. You can observe for the setting of plus 10% negative mix and endpoints 100%. When channel 6 is at 1000 value, we achieve 1000, 1450 and 1950 as our values. When channel 6 moves to 2000, the values are unchanged to 1250, 1500 and 1750. When the stick is moved to 2000, the values are unchanged to 1000, 1500 and 2000. For a negative mix of minus 10, we can see when the channel 6 stick is at 1000 value or lower extreme, channel 5 gives us 1050, 1550 and 2000 as the values. Again, when channel 6 is moved to 2000 value, everything remains unchanged, that is 1000, 1500 and 2000 values. Next, when we set the values of endpoints to 50% for channel 5 and move the negative mix to plus 10 value, for channel 6 lower extreme 1000 value, we see channel 5 values to be 1250, 1475 and 1725 respectively. When the stick is moved to 2000 for channel 6, the values remain unchanged, that is 1250, 1500 and 1750. Once we set the negative mix to minus 10%, we see that for channel 6 lower extreme 1000 value, channel 5 gives us 1275, 1525 and 1750 as our value. Again, for 2000 or higher extreme of channel 6 value, we get 1250, 1500 and 1750 for channel 5 values. I know it's a bit confusing in the start, but eventually I hope you get it. If not, you can repeat the video and pause at the sections to further introspect, and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks.